Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And press the bell icon for latest notification for out latest videos. In this video I will teach you how you can make almond milk at home. Nut milk is a creamy savory alternative to cow's milk. Rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, it's really easy to make. 1. Measure out a cup of raw almonds and rinse them really well. 2. Soak them in water to cover in the refrigerator or overnight. 3. Rinse the soaked almonds really well. 4. Put them in the blender with 3 cups of cold filtered water. 5. Blend them in the blender for about 30 seconds. 6. Pour the mixture into a large bowl through a sprout bag, nut milk bag, strainer or cheesecloth. 7. Put the milk back into the blender jar. 8. Blend milk with a sweetener of your choice such as dates, honey or stevia. You can also add other flavors like lemon peel, vanilla, cinnamon, chocolate, and carob powder. Use milk quickly as it will remain in the fridge for only a few days. Use milk quickly as it will remain in the fridge for only a few days. Use it as a base for smoothies, soups, desserts, or just drink as is. Don't put it in your hot tea as it will separate, but you can easily pour it into your iced tea or iced coffee. The best smoothie is when you take a cup of the nut milk, 2 frozen bananas, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also freeze the vanilla banana smoothie and make popsicles for the kids. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such exciting videos, please hit the red button below and subscribe.